What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews, and today we're going to be talking about practically how to be productive while being in other rooms in your house, so to speak. And by productive, I mean working on your laptop, working on your computer while being in the kitchen or while being in the living room, while being in different rooms of your house and have the ability to multitask doing that. So the product that I'm bringing to you guys is pretty much the Asani screen extender. I got the 14-inch. So we're gonna actually do a full unboxing and full review of it in this video. And I'm gonna showcase to you guys all the perks of having this around and why this is actually a great product to actually purchase. And I'm gonna put the product link in the description below so you guys can get you one if you guys are interested in purchasing something like this. There are actually 16 inches as well. Obviously those cost more. You can get this for about a little bit less than 160, give or take. But the link will be in the description below, like I mentioned earlier, and all the features also will be in the description below. So let me get to the unboxing so you guys can see exactly what this product can do. Let's get to it further. Let's go. All right, guys. This is the Asani S2 14-inch dual screen extender for your laptop. And practically this is actually two 14-inch screen that you clip onto your laptop to actually give you more access to do bigger and better things and be more productive, so to speak. So this is the box in a nutshell. It has 300 CD M2 brightness, 1000.1 contrast ratio. It's wide angle display, IPS wide angle display, and has USB-C, USB Type-C, and HDMI ports as well. So that's pretty much what this comes with in a nutshell. So this is how cool this is. It actually comes with a leather case backing, which is very, very dope. And actually it's a package that way. It's like a bag. Yeah, it's a little leather bag, so to speak. That's how cool that is. And you could pretty much, this is the screen extender right there. And inside the box in itself is all the necessary cords, USB-C cords that are needed to run this, and HDMI cords that are needed for run this, and obviously another longer USB-C cord. And yes, this is the Asani Amazon card that comes with it. It's a gift card that's associated with it if you complete a review of it of some sort. This is the product manual, and this is how, well, there's more cords. And this is the quick setup guide in the back here, at the very, very bottom. That's so cool that you need all these things to actually make it run in a nutshell. So that's actually very, very awesome. Let me actually move that out of the way so I can show it to you guys how it looks and stuff. So practically, in a nutshell, you pull the little suitcase thingy. How do you get it out? That's a good question. And you got a little pouch in the front there where you could put your mouse in the suitcase and stuff. That's actually awesome. And this right here, how do you remove that? Okay, let's try it. Here we go, it slides right out. Okay, that makes sense. And this is actually a strap of some sort. I thought it was actually attached to it. And look at the carbon fiber backing. This is so dope. We'll remove the strap. And every screen pretty much has this carbon fiber backing. This is how dope this is. It's well made. Yep, like I said before, link is in the description below to get you one if you're interested in getting you one. And the other one unclips like that, and it uncoils like this. So that's practically it in a nutshell. And to open that, you get to put this one here, and now you have dual screens on your laptop. I'm gonna actually try to actually put it on my laptop, see how it works. So let's get to that as well. Let me move it back a little bit so you guys could see here what I'm working with. There we go. So let me get my Dell laptop that I'm gonna be reviewing later for you guys, so you guys get to see what that looks like. This is actually so cool. And let me see if I can use it to power it on and everything. So my Dell laptop is this one here, and I'm gonna try to put that over it and see what that does. Yep, and it moves like so. Yep, it slides right in. And now we have a full functioning screen extender. This is it. Perfect. And it actually holds with the laptop. So that's how cool this is. One screen over here, another screen over there. Awesome. And let's try to see if we could connect it. I'm gonna remove these. And all the specs are gonna be in the description below, along with the link for this as well, if you're interested in getting you one of those for under $160. It's not a bad buy. Definitely great Christmas present. Awesome Black Friday gift before Black Friday. I needed this to actually perform work around my house. So that's why I went ahead and got it. So Asani didn't pay me to do this review under any circumstances whatsoever. And let me see if I can show you the back of it. This is the back of that. It has a little pod stand, so you could actually secure it if it's too heavy for your laptop. Pretty cool. All right. This is pretty much how you fix this situation and get it working properly. The way you work that is actually you get the USB type C1, C2, and you can plug it on either end of the screens. Right now it's on screen mirroring, but I can actually move it around, move stuff around. And as you can see, it's only on one screen right now. If I was able to change, I'm going to change my settings so we can actually do extended view onto this. So that's that. So practically you have to plug in your USB C1, C2 cord into the back of this screen here, or one of the screens there. And once you see this blue indicator light, that means this is actually working. This screen is actually working. And this one here, you have to plug in the USB cord along, the HDMI cord along with the USB-C cord in order to get full power to both screens completely. So now I'm gonna actually go to the display area, and instead of duplicate it, now I'm just gonna extend. Oh, never mind. Not duplicate, and practically this will actually help work this whole process. So basically anything that's on the screen now, I can extend over and move over here, move over there. See, as you can see, that is that in a nutshell, and you can get work done. And to identify all your screen, you just hit the identify screen, and that's screen number 2, screen number 1, and screen number 3. So that's pretty much how that works in a nutshell. in regards to this screen. It's a great product. If you give them a positive review after, which you're gonna have to, because this is actually awesome. If you give them a positive review after using it, you practically get $20 gift card from Asani. That's the promotion. And for the record, Asani didn't pay me to make this review. I just decided to make it on my own. It's actually a great tool. I could sit here and pretty much work while also watching the TV, watching the games and stuff. So that's that in a nutshell. As of right now, I'm watching YouTube, so I'm gonna get some work done. So it's a great setup if you want to go to the kitchen and work, and if you want to go in different rooms of your house and work. It's actually a great setup for that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. I need you guys' help to get to 5,000 by the end of this year. So we have one more month to make that happen. Please subscribe. And if you can't subscribe, share the video with your friends. It will actually help the channel out, because I'm trying to put out great content for you guys on a week-to-week basis, but it's hard without you guys subscribing. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe once again. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.